Meaning of David Hume.
David Hume.
David Hume.
David Hume.
David Hume. David Hume was an 18th-century Scottish philosopher who was widely regarded as one of the most important figures in the history of Western philosophy. His work focused on skepticism and empiricism, and he is particularly well known for his views on causation, induction, and the problem of induction. Hume argued that knowledge cannot be justified by reason alone, but rather is based on our experiences and observations of the world. His influence on philosophy, economics, and psychology remains significant to this day.